you all are good. Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 8 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 8 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter consumer math. The lessons we're going to cover today are percent of a number, tax discount, and more. Find a percent, tax discount, and more. Multi-step problem with percents and estimate tips. Here I'm on grade 8 math. Let's just start with the lesson that is percent of a number, tax discount, and more. Randy's bill for lunch at a restaurant is 63%. He left a 15% tip. What was the total cost of his lunch including tip? So basically the tip is on the bill. The bill is 63 dollars. You have to calculate the 15% of $63. So you have to do 63 times 15 over 100. That is 9.45. The lunch is $63 and the tip is 9.45. That is 72.45. Let's just start with the test questions. Jenny wants to buy a ticket to an amusement park. The original price is 55.56. What is the sale price? So the ticket is on the 75% off. So let's just calculate 75% off 55.56. That is 55.5 over 100. That is 55.56 times 75 divided by 100. That is 41.67. So that means that is the discount. You have to subtract the discount from the original value. Then we are left with 55.56 minus 41.67, that is 13.89. Option number 1 is the correct option. The correct option is option number 1. Mike ate breakfast at a restaurant. The bill came $60.70, and if he left a 20% tip, what was the total cost of his breakfast? So you have to calculate the total cost, right? So just calculate 20% of 60.70. That is, that is 12.14. So you have to add 12.14 with bill. The bill is 60.70 plus 12.14, that is 72.84. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 72.84. Option number 1 is the correct option. What is the price of a hockey stick? Originally priced 60.20, that is on 40% off. Calculate the 40% off. 60.20 times 40 over 100. That is 24.08. So the original price is 60.28 minus 24.08. That is 36 times 36.12. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. The next lesson is find the percent tax discount and more. Let's just start with the next lesson. Let's just start with an example. Michael bought a gold necklace marked down from 75 to 21. What percentage is the discount? 75 is the original value, right? And that would be the discounted to 21. So you have to calculate the discount by using the formula, that is original price minus discount price divided by original price. The original price is 75, the discounted price is 21, so 75 minus 21 and divided by 75. So that is 0.72. When you multiply it by the 100, that means that is 72%. Let's just start with the test questions. A store manager instructs some new trainee that a hockey stick priced $77 winds up costing a customer 82.39 once the sales tax is included. What is the sales tax included? So you have to calculate the sales tax. So that is 82.39 minus 77, right? That is 82.39 minus 77. That is 5.39, right? Okay, the percentage equals price with tax minus price before tax and divided by price before tax, right? So 82.39 minus 77 divided by 77. That is 0.07. The correct option is 0.07. That is 7%. Leon rings up an item that costs $330. After the sale tax, that is total 363. What is the sales tax percentage? So use the formula we just learned, that is before tax, that is 330 minus 363 out of the one that is before tax. So that is 33 over 330. That is 10%. The correct option is. So the correct option is 10%. Option number 2 is the correct option. Gavin bought a briefcase for $69 that was originally priced 75. What is the discount as percentage? You need to calculate the discount in the percentage form. That is 75 minus 69 over 69. That is 8%. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 8%. Megan, an accountant, observes that her company purchased guitars at a cost of $42 and is currently selling them at the price of $63. What percentage is the markup? So 42, that is 63 minus 42 divided by 42, because originally that was for $42. So 63 minus 42 is 21. 21 over 50, 42 is 50%. It is the correct option is 50%. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Multi step problems with persons. Let's just start with the test questions. Randy and his family ordered a meal that cost $60. Randy paid 5% sale tax and left a 20% tip on $60. What was the total cost? Okay, so the $60 is the price of the meal they ordered. Calculate 5% sale tax, so 60 times 5 over 100, that is $3. So $3 tax he have to pay. Calculate the 20% tip, that is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. The cost is 60. $3 tax and 12 tip. So that means the correct option is $75. Option number 2 is the correct option, that is $75. A store in Burlington bought a crystal sculpture for $80 and marked it up 50% from the original cost. Later on, the Kelly purchased the crystal sculpture and paid Burlington sales tax 10%. How much, including tax, did she pay for the crystal sculpture? So the cost is $80, right? That is increased by 50%. So $80 plus 40 is 120, right? Later on, he have to pay by 10%. So calculate the 10%. 10% is 12. The price is 80. The price with markup is 100, 120 and plus 12. That is 132. The correct option is option number 1. That is 132. Option number 1 is the correct option. Monica bought a gold necklace that was marked down 75% from the original price of $100. If she paid 12% sales tax, what was the total cost of the necklace? So, which is the correct option? Mm, Marked down 75% from the original price 100. So 75% marked down means 70, 25, right? 25 times 12 over 100 is 3. So the original price is $100, right? That is marked down 75%. So that means now the price is $25. Calculate 12% of $25. That is 3. So 25 plus 3 is $28. So the correct option is $28. That is option number 1. That is $28. Joel works at a store where he earned a base salary of 77%, $77 per week plus a commission of 20% of sales. If Joel sold $75 worth of merchandise last week, what was his total pay? The basic salary is 77, right? $77 per week, and the commission is 20%. Merchandise last week. What was his total pay? Okay, 77 is the basic salary, right? And the sales are 75. So the calculate the 20% of sales, the sales is $75, right? So calculate $75, that is 25, right? So 77 is the original salary and plus, hold on, that is 75. That is 15. So 77 plus 15 is $92. So the correct option is option number 2, that is $98. A store bought a bicycle for 50% and marked it up 60%. Later on, the store marked it down 20%. What was the discounted price? Okay, so $50. $50 times 60 over 100. That is 30. So that means now the price is 80. Markdown 20% is, that is 80 minus 16 is $64. That means now it is for $64. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 8 math. The chapter we were working on is